Here we go, YouTube. Flash flood warning. This is on the radio.
Max Creek, Lynn Creek, Stoutland, Twin Bridges, Competition, Eldridge, Lee, Tennis, Lynchburg, Sleeper, Falcon, Freedom, Branch, Deck Terminal. Includes, but it's not limited to the Lake of the Ozarks State Park, Camdenton, Richland, Lynn Creek.
On multiple stations. Basically in somewhere. I keep skipping over.
Has been issued until 7:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Camden, Dallas, Hickory, and Laclede.
It's on multiple stations.
Warning has been issued until 7:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties.
Music with us. 101.3 The Out.
It's you.
Thunderstorm or two. The storms can be severe in some areas with damaging wind, and watch for flash flooding for the downpours too. We'll drop to 72. Then it'll be a breezy, cooler day Monday. Clouds break for sun.
Also,
More comfortable 62. Monday.
while we're at it,
Tuesday, we'll have sunshine, low humidity, and a high of just 82. I'm AccuWeather meteorologist Frank Strait.
Right now, 74 at 101.3 KTXR.
There's one company in Southwest Missouri that can supply everything you need to open a restaurant. Arctic Food Equipment. Arctic Food Equipment supplies everything from tables and chairs.
there was a significant weather advisory, I believe. I'm looking for my weather radio. Here it is.